Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML unordered list. HTML element UL is used to define an unordered list with each element defined using li tag. And the example looks something like this, where we have the beginning tag for the whole list with UL, and this is the ending tag, and each element of the list is defined using li tag. That looks something like this, where this becomes the content of the element and this is the whole element that we have. And by default, each item on the list is marked with disc shaped bullets. And there are different types of bullet styles which can be applied for unordered list. And it can be a disc shape, which is the default shape that gets applied to a unordered list. And if you want to change that style to some other styles like circle, shape, and if you don't want any styles, then we can include this none. How do we define this value? So we have this list here defined, and on the unordered list tag we have to add an attribute for defining the type of the bullet style. So we have to use the attribute name type equals to the style type. So it can be disc if you want disc shaped bullets. If you want circular bullets, we have to use circle. If you want square bullets, we have to use square. If we don't want bullets at all on this unordered list, then we have to use this none. And here we have an example HTML document that covers all the different bullet styles that we have on an unordered list. So this is for the first type, which is for disc, circular style, and square type bullets, and this is for no bullets. We have another article that covers all the different types of HTML lists that we have. You can click this link and verify that as well. So overall, we can use an unordered list when we need to group the items together and we really don't want to number them. So if we just want to have a list and if you don't want to number the list items, then we have to choose this unordered list. So now let's open this HTML source code and see how the content is going to be displayed on a browser. This is the source code that we just looked at on the examples. So this is for disc shaped bullet styles and all the others here. So let me open this HTML document in a browser and see how it looks there. So this is how the example looks on a browser. So if you look at the bullet style here, this is like a disc shaped bullets, and this is the circular bullets, and this is the square bullets, and finally the last one, if you don't want the bullets, we have to define that type attribute to none. So this is how we can define an unordered list, and we can manipulate the bullet styles. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.